So today, I'm excited to share 3 super handy hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy that you probably aren't using right now. Trust me, these little gems can make your day-to-day life just a bit easier. And if you're a wallpaper lover, make sure to check out the link to my Telegram channel in the description below. I've got some amazing 4K wallpapers waiting for you, along with some from previous videos. So without any more waiting, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about changing your lock screen wallpaper automatically. Did you know you can set it so that every time your lock screen goes off or on, a new wallpaper pops up? It's super easy. Just open your gallery and find the folder with all your favorite wallpapers. Select up to 15 images. Yes, 15. And then look for the option at the bottom corner to set it as your wallpaper. Choose Lock Screen, hit Done, and voila! Your lock screen wallpaper will change every time you unlock your phone. How cool is that? Next, let's get into some security magic with your mobile hotspot. Head over to Settings, then Connections, and select Mobile Hotspot. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find this nifty option for a one-time password. This is a game changer when you're sharing your internet with guests or even strangers. Instead of handing out your main password, you can enable this one-time password option. The next time you turn on your mobile hotspot, it'll generate a new password. This way, you can keep your actual password safe while still sharing your connection. It's perfect for when you're not too comfortable sharing your hotspot details. Lastly, let's explore some hidden tools tucked away in your calculator app. Open it up and you'll see a little roller icon right in the center. Give it a tap and bam, you've unlocked a treasure trove of tools. You can convert units for length, weight, temperature, volume, speed, and more, all without having to hop onto Google. It's super handy for quick calculations, and I bet many of you didn't even know these features were there. So there you have it, 3 awesome hidden features that can enhance your experience on your Samsung device. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing Galaxy tricks in the future. I can't wait to catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care and happy exploring.